where you catch me mid-ride. Hopefully the camera's working. I'll just try to figure out how to turn it on. Trying to keep up with this Ducati with a rider that's supremely better than I am. I told him to go, you know, nice sort of gentle, slow speed. Oh, this is where I went straight on before. Yeah, I said to him, I'll just go a nice, slow, steady speed. But his slow, steady speed is totally different to mine. But hey, it's not too bad. So we're going up to the circuit today, the Krachan circuit. There's a Ducati demo day. I don't know whether there'll be many people there or what's going on, but it should be quite good. There might be some people there that I haven't seen for a long time. So it's always nice to meet people you haven't, oh bollocks, right through a bit of cow shit. You know, always nice to see people you haven't seen for a long time. Oh, I think this road, it will lead on to some lovely corners where that Ducati will just romp away. Nice. Oh, that's lovely and cool here. She's pretty warm now. It's about what's the time? It's 11 o'clock, and yeah, she's pretty warm. But I've got a bit of cloud here now, so it's quite nice. I thought it was just Ducati, like, you know, come and test ride a Ducati, and there'd be a few people here, but it's actually rammed. A lot of Thai people. I'm not going on track because it's racing for a start, and also they've had a sort of an open track. But I'm fucked if I was going to go out on that. I took a little video of it. I took a little video. Look at that! Dear now. That's a lot of people on track. Yeah, I took a little video of the but there was everything and anything out there at that sort of open track. I mean, there were scooters there, people going to and all that, and yeah, that's not for me. Cool, blimey, fucking hell. So I'm just going to pop to the 7-Eleven round the corner, and hopefully I can get back before the next race. So